You know, this is what we're doing. So I bought this radio because this is the model. Anyways, you guys can see it there. But I have this model. It's the one that the face comes off. But I think that's why this one's more expensive. I think this one right now is like for 160 bucks or something like that. That one came out to 60 bucks on Amazon. So I'm thinking, and I'm praying to God that this one is a little bit different. Actually, yeah, it's a little bit different. With this one, the dial got messed up, and I don't know if I could fix this. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna open it once I put this one in. But the goal here is to find out if I could use the same plug. You know, if I could just take this off and plug this one in, and it'll be the same thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this and see if we could do it. So they have these little tools to take out the radio. So I'm gonna try it. It's supposed to work. You know. All right. Got this here. It's supposed to work because I've done this before. Let's see. Will it work? Let's see. I think this is the way you're supposed to do it. I don't think it's the other way. Let's see. Is it the other way? Maybe it's this way. Let's see. Hopefully it works. No? I think it goes in through here. It looks like it's coming out. Let's see. Will it come out? Or is it the opposite way? All the way in? No. I think it's like this. Goes in like that. Huh. It looks like it's going in. That's what it's doing. I want to take it out. That's the goal. So, I know I've done this before with these things. So it should work. Like that. Maybe if I pull it with this, it'll do it. Let's see. Because I don't really care if it breaks because I got a new one. You see, it'll go in, but how you bring it out? Woo! It came out. It came out. Let's see. Yeah. You see, this one doesn't have a subwoofer. This one doesn't have the subwoofer thing. Oh, man, I think it'll work. Let's see. If these cables are the same, that means I don't have to, like, solder stuff in. Let's see. Maybe we lucked out. I don't know. I don't think you guys could see that close. Let me see. Are we lucky or are we not lucky? Okay. Boom. It's the same? It's the same. It's the same. Yep. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. So, the thing is, will this one fit in there? It's exactly the same thing. Or is it bigger? Let's see. The same thing. Yeah. So that's the positive. Yeah, I don't have to change it. Let's see. Let me see. If this plug works on the old one, we're golden. Ah, it's the same one. Nice. Yes. Eating my Slurpee. So, look at the difference of this one. This one has a subwoofer outlet. It looks exactly the same. It even has the heat sink, the same. See it? I should have done it closer so you guys could see better. Anyways, this is what's up. The only difference between this one and that one is that the face doesn't come off. But let's try it. You know what's cool? That this thing, I bought all these. Oh, man, I'm going to have to do a separate. Let me see. That goes there. Let me see. Oh, they're double. I got to redo all this because I have Monster cables. I think these are good brand too. I think these are good. Anyways, let's try to go. You think it'll work? Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver. Mira, prendió combo. Quiero. Está nuevo. Vamos a ver. Setup. Yes. Language. Francés, ¿tú crees francés? Francés, vous vas fue? Vamos a ver. Inglés. We got it to work. So I put it in there. The plug was the same. Like I said, what was wrong with this one is the dial here, it didn't go up and down. It was really hard. Like I would have to mess around with it too much. But this is some English music. I never use a radio, ever. Let's see. Anything in English here? There we go. Anyways, I don't want it to copyright. But anyways, yeah, that's what's up. It's working now. It's a little bit different, but the plug was the same. You know? And this one the thing doesn't come off this, which I could care less. Who's gonna steal a radio at this time and age? But it looks different because it's shinier than this one. This one has like a matte look in the side. This is like 4 years old. This almost 4 years old. This radio. So, anyways, I'm gonna open it and see if I could fix it. Who knows? Maybe I could sell it. You know. Anyways, I'm done for today. Check.